Hello guys, hope you're doing well. So today we're gonna see how to install PostgreSQL application for your Mac machine, and before that we're gonna discuss about how to resolve your 5432 connection issues that you face in PostgreSQL. If you wanna directly skip to the installation part, you can go ahead and do that. So let's get started with the how you can start your connection issue. Uh, so um, so this was the error I was getting when I was trying to connect to my 5432 localhost. So this is the screenshot that I have taken from PGID, and this was the issue when I was trying to connect to it. So it was saying something like that, that is running on that host and accepting TCP IP connections or something like that. Um, so for me particularly, I knew like why this issue was happening with me, because in last week I've been working on Phoenix projects, and for that I was using the Lightbook application. And for Lightbook, since I had to use the database, I have configured my Postgres SQL on Lightbook, and for that reason I couldn't really connect to my local host to on a 5432 port, and that was the exact reason for me to not getting connected to the this local host. Uh, so how the reason for you guys might be different, but you can always resolve that. And how you can resolve that, I'm going to show you. I'm going to just increase the font size over here. I hope it is visible. So first of all, to solve this issue, you have to get the number of like a list of PIDs that is running on that particular port. So that you can actually understand where your server is running on 5432 port, and so that you can take action for that. So this is a command like sudo list of 5432 port, and just hit enter. Since you're using sudo command, it will prompt you for a password. You have to give it your machine password. I'm going to use password, and then it's going to give you all the a list of PID that is running on your localhost Postgres. Let me minimize a little bit. All right, so it's showing like it's running on PID 16482, and then it's showing like your node and the name of the listen like localhost PostgreSQL. So in terms of getting your server listings, you can use sudo list of -i followed by your um, port number over here, and then if it is not working, if it is not running for your Postgres application, you can just simply use the sudo kill. You have to pass -9 if it is not working without it. So, and pass your in terms of killing that particular item, you have to pass your PID number over here and not the port. So for me, like here, like it is 16482. If I hit enter, I'm gonna kill this PID that is running for PostgreSQL on my server, on my machine. So just hit enter, and then if you again do the list of, if you try to get the list of PIDs that are running on 5432, then you're gonna get the blank response because we have already killed the PostgreSQL. If you go back on your, I'm sorry for that. All right, so if you see over here, it is already it's not running because we have already stopped it, or we stopped that PID and the TCP connection and everything. So just hit enter and start. And if you go on a server setting, you can see like the port that it is using is 5432, and it's already started. It has already started over here. And then if you again go back and get the list of items, then you can see like it is again running on your localhost, and it has assigned new PIDs for the server. Alrighty, but by using this command, you cannot completely resolve your issue. So in terms of solve completely, you have to use this sudo list of grep listen command in terms of getting all the list of TCPs that are running. Since I was not using the localhost, I have configured my PostgreSQL connection on Livebook. So for that reason, it was not showing me simply using this sudo list of -i and port number command. In terms of getting all the TCP connections on your server, on your machine, you have to pass this command in your terminal, and to give you a list of all the TCP that are running. In my case, when I was using, it was showing me Livebook over here, so I had to kill the Livebook. over here by using the same command sudo kill -9 and just pass this PID over here, and then I have to kill the livebook TCP connection that was running on my machine. Before that, I have tried like I have uninstalled Postgres and the PG-admin like multiple times, like 4 to 5 times, and even though I was getting the list of a PID that was running on 5.3.2, it was showing just blank, but I was still not able to run my PostgreSQL over here. So simply once you clear uninstall and do this all the stuff, you have to take the restart of your machine, and then again try to connect to your PostgreSQL. And if you do that without taking the restart of your machine, then it's probably not going to work for you guys. So there's one of the most important thing I would like to tell you. Coming to installation part, so this is the official link, your website you can use to install your postgresapp.com. I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm going to just clear this. Just go on Google page and just type Postgres application, and it will take you on their official websites. I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. So once you get on this web page, you just click on the download section over here, and then I'm just maximize it for you guys. And then just I'm using this the current Postgres SQL, the very recent release, that is PostgreSQL 15 universal. Just go and hit enter on download, and it will start downloading the DMG file for you guys. Alright, it's gonna take a while according to your internet connectivity and all the stuff. Once you download this image, you can go ahead and hit the I'm going to show you the once download is complete, and if you click on the download, it's gonna pop up this box, and then use info Mac. You have to drag that in your application. Since I already have it, it's gonna ask me for replace. I'm just gonna stop it and just gonna go in my application. Just click on the Postgres. So in my case, it's already running. I'm gonna stop it. So when you do this for first time, it's gonna look like this. But one of the other most important thing that you have to do before starting your Postgres, you have to use you have to run a few commands on your terminal. So you have to go in introduction over here, just scroll down a bit, and then you have to copy the command, open your terminal. I'm gonna clear this out real quick, clear it, and just paste the sudo mkdir, whatever the command is there on the website, hit enter, and it will ask you for the command, and go back on your website, just copy it, and then paste over here, hit enter. Alright, so what basically this command is doing is that it's just giving the path to your application, to your Postgres application in your machine, and that's it. So before starting your Postgres, you have to run these two commands, and then just go ahead and open your app, and then just click on start, and it's just simply gonna start the application for you, and then you can use any database and anything for your application that you wanna create. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you still have any issue connecting and having error with Postgres, you can put a comment down below. I will try to help you with that. Have a good one, guys. Thank you so much. Just click on the subscribe and like button. I would appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a good one, guys.